Hello friends, this is Mayuri Patel. Today we will see about the standardized test. So let's start. Classification of achievement test. First we will see the overview. So that is first is standardized test and second is non-standardized test. It is teacher made test also. So teacher made test, that means written, oral and practical, which we know. Then in written, three: essay type, short answer and objective type. This all have a subtype also, which we will see detail in the next lecture. But just I wanted to give you the review, so that's why I have started this. So meaning of standardized test. Standardization means uniformity of procedure in scoring, administrating and interpreting the result. So there will be a standard rules and regulation. On that basis we are doing scoring, administrating and the result interpretation. We are doing that, fine. So standardized test and scale that have met the criteria of testing. This means that they have been used in a sufficiently large number of cases to make it possible to determine their validity, reliability, objectivity and administrability. So this is same as the last lecture. So we will see the types of standardized test. First is achievement test, aptitude test, personality test, intelligence test and prognostic test. Let's see one. So achievement tests are designed to measure the knowledge and skills students learn in a school or to determine the academic progress they have made over a period of time. So what we are doing: test, midterm, unit test, final exam, pre-final exam, all this. So the test may also be used to evaluate the effectiveness of school and teacher or identify the appropriate academic placement for the students, because on that score only you will get the admission in the next level of course. So what courses or program may be deemed most suitable or what form of academic support they may need. So achievement tests are backward looking in that they measures how well students have learned what they were expected to learn, means what they already learn. On that basis what they will learn or what they will do, they can do or not, that is deciding. So that's why it is called backward looking test. Next is aptitude test. So it is attempt to predict our students' ability to succeed in a intellectual or physical endeavor by, for example, evaluating mathematical ability, language proficiency, abstract reasoning, motor coordination and musical talent. So I can give you example of language proficiency. If you want to work somewhere out of country or if you want to go for a further study, you have to go for the language proficiency test, that is the IELTS, TOEFL, what IELTS, fine. So all these exams you have to clear out. So that is the aptitude test. So aptitude tests are forward looking in that they typically attempt to forecast or predict how well student will do in a future educational or career setting. Aptitude tests are often a source of debate since many questions their predictive accuracy. And next is personality test. In this you have to see the inner personality of the person may be showing something else, but their character will be something else only. Next, intelligence test, which we have seen in last lecture very in detail, so you can refer that. So first is based on number of individual to be tested, that may be individual test and group test, and second is based on form of the test, that is verbal test and non-verbal test. Then next is prognostic test. It is a predictive achievement in a specific subject area. Now let's see the characteristics of standardized tests. So first characteristic is constructed by test expert or specialist. So it is the specific person will construct. That's all about the standardized tests. Some PPT or slides, they don't have audio because it is self-explanatory. That's why I have not kept audio. So if you understood, then well and good. If you don't understand anything, just contact me or comment it into the comment box. Just subscribe my channel to get a notification for the videos. Thank you so much.